Welcome to my channel, Smart Upgrades. Today we are reviewing the Silonn Sphere Clear Ice Maker. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description. Let us look deep into the soul of modern society. We live in an era where we can summon a vehicle via an app, automate our entire home lighting system, and stream any piece of media ever created while lying perfectly still on a mattress. Yet when it comes to having a sophisticated drink at the end of a long day, our grand solution is still violently banging a plastic tray against the kitchen counter, hoping a cracked, cloudy cube will dislodge itself. Since we have collectively decided that waiting hours for subpar ice is a personal insult, I've been testing the Silonn Sphere Clear Ice Maker. In my experience, if you want high-end crystal clear sphere ice for your bourbon or whiskey, you usually have to buy silicone molds that take up half your freezer space and require 24 hours of freezing time. What stood out to me immediately about this countertop unit is the speed. Utilizing what they call RapidSphere technology, it pumps out 4 solid-core 2-inch ice spheres in exactly 35 minutes. For those keeping track at home, that means you can generate up to 144 luxury ice balls a day. It completely eliminates the need to make a frantic 30-minute run to the supermarket just because you invited a few friends over to pretend you know how to taste fine spirits. Here's where this product surprised me: the transparency of the ice. Usually, home ice makers produce cloudy, hollow cubes that melt faster than ice cream in a microwave, completely watering down your expensive drinks. But Silonn uses crystal sphere technology to create solid, perfectly clear spheres that melt incredibly slowly. This keeps your drinks perfectly chilled without ruining the flavor profile, which is a massive win for anyone who values premium quality and comfort. The machine is also built for extreme convenience. It features an intuitive LED control panel that tells you exactly when the ice basket is full or when it's out of water. Even better, you have 2 ways to fill it. You can manually pour water into the tank, or you can attach the included hose kit for an automatic water fill and continuous supply. If you connect it directly, you can even add a water filter to get the absolute purest ice spheres possible. Now, for a balanced drawback, this machine is a dedicated heavy-duty unit. At roughly 17 by 17 inches, it commands a decent slice of counter real estate, and it pulls 180 watts. It's also not a freezer, so while it holds the ice, you eventually want to move those spheres to your main freezer if you aren't using them immediately. But when you factor in the one-click self-cleaning cycle, where you just hold the power button for 3 seconds and let the machine wash itself, the maintenance is entirely effortless. Ultimately, if you are a whiskey enthusiast, a home bartender, or someone who simply refuses to settle for cloudy, fast-melting fridge ice, this machine is an incredible value. It delivers massive time savings and a truly premium experience right on your countertop. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description.